Hello and welcome. My name is Will Ortega and this is Tips and Tricks with ProPricer. We will be covering useful tips and tricks in ProPricer that will help you leverage your time better and get things priced. Today we're going to talk about ProPricer's Print Grids feature. This feature gives you the ability to quickly print or export data from any ProPricer grid to formats such as PDF, HTML, RTF, DOCX, XLS, CSV, and text. This is important because it provides you the ability to use this feature for formal or informal reporting, to feed downstream applications with ProPricer data, and to export the filtering and format that you have built into your grids. In this video, we will be working with the Resources grid. This useful grid displays every resource that is spread on the proposal in one place. To use the Resources Print Grid, right-click anywhere inside a ProPricer grid, then hover over the Grid Data option. Next, you will have the option to select Print, Print Preview, or Export to one of the file types mentioned earlier. With the Print Preview feature, which is most Pricer's favorite, you can customize how the document displays your data, include a header or footer with your company information, add a watermark, and even change the page color. Another useful feature is the fact that ProPricer gives you the ability to easily email your grid as an attachment in any of the available file types by using the Email As function in the export area of the ribbon, located here. To summarize, the Print Grids feature is a convenient and easy to navigate tool that allows you to easily print, export, email, and share your ProPricer data in various file types and formats in a timely manner. Working in government contracting, we can all agree time is of the essence most days. And who doesn't like to save some time? If you thought this video was awesome and helpful, please share it with your colleagues who use ProPricer. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, go ahead and post a link or a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Again, my name is Will Ortega, and as always, thanks for watching.